Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can create a cinematic intro for your video in Kinemaster. So let's go. First, what you want to do is click on a media, choose background or upload your own, I would say upload your own footage that you want to put a cinematic intro on. I'm going to insert this mountain here. Did we have it? Okay. When we have it now, what we want to do is to click on a layer, choose text, right here your name of the channel or whatever. So I'm going to just write in cinematic intro, and let's make it all big like this. Okay, so we have it right now here. What we want to do is to make it much bigger like this. Also, it's 4 seconds, so let's make it to 3. 3 is a really great duration. Okay, so when we have it now, what you want to do is click on your text, and we need to change the font now to something else. Let's click on Latin. And I don't know, let's choose, for example, bold. And what we want now is to change the color. So for example, black. And then we want to go away with shadow. And now what we want to have? First, we want to click on a in animation, which is going to like fade. Then let's okay. Let's click out animation and also fade, or we can do slide right. Yep, okay. And then when you click on overlay animation, you can use, but I don't recommend it at all. I mean, nothing is that good to like, this is not effective for your video. So when you have it, also what you want to do is to create a sound effect now. So you go to, again, layer, effect, no, audio, sorry, SFX asset, and we need to find some sound effects for it. You can also add your own music. Cartoon, no. Music effects. Let's see. Then I'm looking for something that can be used here. Rainwater, water, no. Yeah, punches and kicks, we can find something there. Ambient street, whoosh, yep. Heartbeat, we can. Okay, I think we found it. The wolf. Wolf and whoosh would be great, would be good. Look at them. Okay, and let's another audio. Oh my god. Okay, this is good. And so this one, the low, is going to be here on the end, and the first one, the beginning, will be here. And let's play it. We need to have it on the end. Like here. Yep, that's how we do the intro. You can play with the sound effects and with the music on your own if you want. But yep, this is kind of it. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. And yep, thank you and goodbye.